we are simply going to incorporate Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube Shorts. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can do that to tap into the affiliate marketing using YouTube's massive platform. So while getting approved for YouTube's partner program is great, the requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views are steep when you're just starting out. So rather than grinding for months just for ad revenue, we can leverage other money-making avenues right from day one that don't require massive viewership immediately. And you can start out by incorporating a bunch of proven methods such as the affiliate marketing with Amazon Associates, building your own online courses and memberships, selling branded merchandise. You can use similar steps for each one of these, but in this video we're going to be focusing particularly on the affiliate marketing with Amazon Associates. One great strategy is becoming an Amazon Associate so that you can earn commissions promoting products on YouTube. And this comes with some major benefits than other affiliate programs, such as Amazon offers very competitive commission rates, typically ranging from 4 to 10% per sale depending on the product category. And obviously you don't need to actually manufacture or ship any of the products yourself. As an affiliate, you simply promote other brands or products and earn commissions in the process. There's also the 24-hour tracking cookie period, which gives you continued credit for anything someone buys within 24 hours of clicking your affiliate link originally. This substantially boosts potential earnings. Amazon has a massive product range from electronics to books to fashion and everything in between, so there's a ton of options for what products to feature and promote. Now when it comes to using YouTube specifically, you may be wondering if you need to create long-form review videos or if you can leverage shorts instead. And unlike the standard videos, there's no visible description box on shorts to add your affiliate links, but you can easily overcome that. If we look at some of the successful channels on YouTube Shorts, what we can see is that they pin a relevant affiliate link in the comment section of their shorts instead. So some channels might pin a comment asking people to subscribe, and others, like our channel for example, we are going to pin an affiliate link to whichever product is being featured in that particular short. And this works well because most viewers don't expect an in-depth description on shorts anyway. So having a related affiliate link in the pinned comment feels natural and unobstructive. Also, the shorts content tend to be fun, bite-sized demos or reviews rather than exhaustive 30-minute analysis. So you can quickly go over some cool products, highlighting the benefits, useful features, and viewer experience, or you can simply recommend a related kind of product in the comment section of that video. I know you could ask me that TikTok is the leading platform for short videos, so why use YouTube? And to answer your question, you can use both platforms at the same time. However, the core reason is while TikTok has seen massive growth, YouTube still drives significantly more traffic overall. YouTube has over 32 billion views per month compared to around 10 billion on TikTok currently. So by leveraging YouTube Shorts, you gain access to a much wider audience of potential buyers so that you can promote to. And while TikTok commerce is certainly on the rise, YouTube remains the king when it comes to video traffic volume. So to start actually making money through the Amazon affiliate marketing, the very first step is to sign up for a free Amazon Associates account, which allows you to earn verified commissions. Before creating your Associates account, make sure you set up a YouTube channel that you can link to as your main traffic source. This proves that you will be actively driving an audience. And then once your channel is created, head directly to the Amazon Associates site and apply for your affiliate account by selecting the website referral option. Simply provide all the requested information, your bank account for deposits, tax information, etc. Amazon will then review your application, and once approved, you are ready to begin earning commissions. And while you're just getting started, I'd recommend first making some reviews of products you already own and love to establish some trust and credibility before purely promoting a new unknown product as an affiliate. Over time, you can blend both products you genuinely enjoy and new products you think your audience will find value in. However, the key is providing authentic value. So if you're ready to dive into Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube, here are some initial tips to get you up and running. You want to thoroughly research the popular products getting positive reviews and a buzz right now. Maybe buy the product yourself to test out and review it. Also, create a content calendar and promotion schedule. Plan out your shorts topics in advance. Another great tip is that you don't want to just duplicate the other creators' videos, add your own unique commentary or insight. And finally, YouTube really rewards the consistent and persistent channels. So aim for 3 to 4 new affiliate shorts per week minimum. And finally, I need to mention that it's not like a get-rich-quick kind of scheme. It requires time and effort because behind every one of these YouTube channels that you see, there is a big team working. However, by adding value, entertainment, and leveraging the 24-hour cookie, affiliate marketing on YouTube has big earning potential even for channels just getting started. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. I hope that this overview has given you some ideas on how to leverage affiliate marketing on YouTube Shorts. And if you found today's video to be any helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.